Hello, I'm Neera Patel and I'm the Academic Coordinator at the University of Kent International College. And today I'm going to be talking about integrating AI into assessment design. Roshanak Zarabi, our College Director, has also supported this presentation. Before I start, I want to talk a bit about what we offer here at the University of Kent International College. So the University of Kent International College, or known as UKIC, partners with the University of Kent to recruit international students into foundation and pre-masters programs. And we provide a soft landing for students where they can develop their personal skills, academic skills, before they then progress into their degree program and into their career. There's a number of different things that UKIC is doing to respond to AI. We're adjusting assessment designs to incorporate AI effectively. We are embedding AI into our learning whilst maintaining the academic integrity in line with the University of Kent academic integrity policy. And what we found has been really successful is providing additional support, pastoral sessions and personal tutorials to guide our students so that they have the AI literacy. With 88% of UK students using generative AI for assessments, international students need to understand tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Turnitin AI detection. They must differentiate between acceptable and unacceptable AI usage in coursework. Many international students come from educational backgrounds with different plagiarism policies. Since only 5% of UK students think submitting AI-generated text without editing is acceptable, educating students on AI ethics, citation rules, and institutional policies is essential. Some students may not have prior experience with AI tools. Universities must provide AI literacy workshops to help them effectively use AI for research and writing without violating academic integrity standards. It's very important that we are equipping our students with the ability to use AI effectively, particularly when they go into employment, as employers are going to expect students to be AI literate. And it's very important that international students are aware of this to support their future career prospects. 59% of UK universities are modifying assessments due to AI. And as a result of this, here at the University of Kent International College, we feel that we also need to be doing the same. There's a number of different ways that we have modified assessments here at UKIC. The first is structured writing tasks. So we have found breaking large essays into smaller chunks has really benefited students. And as tutors, we can see the progress of students make throughout their essays with smaller tasks and how that then kind of formulates together to become the final essay. AI integrated assignments are also really helpful where AI can be used for brainstorming and grammar checks, but students must document and reflect on its use. We've also used critical evaluation where students compare AI generated responses with their independent research to develop analytical skills. Another really effective modification we've made is enhanced presentations through AI, where we get AI to generate a presentation and then we ask students to verify their understanding of that presentation. Case studies on AI ethics are also important, and within the International College we provide programs in business, computing, architecture, law and psychology. And what we can do is look at AI's impact in real-world scenarios in those different subject areas. Another modification that we found very successful is AI-supported research, where we're teaching responsible AI use for data analysis and literature reviews. Ultimately, I think one thing that has been incredibly successful for us is our personal tutorials and pastoral support, where we provide one-to-one sessions to help our students confidently engage with AI, to support them with their academic writing. And this has been very successful with our international students. Ethical AI use and academic integrity is very important. Within the International College, when students enrol, we tell them about the policy in place at the University of Kent, and they are told this in week 1, so they understand what is right and what's wrong. Students also complete a module called Understanding Plagiarism and Ethical AI Use, and that's also part of their induction. It gives them the skills to understand ethical AI use and how to avoid plagiarism. When students complete their coursework, we ask them to complete a declaration for AI use, where we can see how students have used AI ethically, and they log that so that we can see the areas that they have used AI and the areas that they have worked on independently themselves. Our personal tutors help students navigate through AI integrated assessments responsibly, and they check in on them weekly to ensure that students are producing work that is in line with our academic integrity, and regular check-ins to ensure that students maintain independent learning as well. We want students to use AI as a learning partner. So this could be through improving their writing. So they could use AI to assist with grammar and vocabulary development. What we don't want students to do is to copy and paste from AI, but we want students to input their work into AI so that it can pick up the errors that they can then improve. We want students to also input their work into AI to allow it to give feedback, so students can then go off and improve their work before they submit their final submission. And AI can also be used as language support, where we enable students to enhance their academic communication, and this is particularly the case through non-native English speakers that we have within the International College. Here are a few case study examples that we found very successful within the International College. The first is AI integrated writing task, where we ask students to summarise a historic architectural period in the UK and compare its accuracy and bias with their research. We had a very small cohort for this task of 2 students, and what we found was the actual result that one student had was a lot better than another student when they used AI. And this was because one student was particularly stronger in prompting using AI, which was very interesting, and it showed the need to be able to equip students with effective AI prompting. The second example is a critical evaluation assignment, where we ask students to draft a proposal about culture shock on their nationality, refine it, and justify their changes. And what was interesting about this, as a very small international college with 26 different nationalities, there was opportunity for peer learning, but students were able to use their prior knowledge about their own nationalities to kind of determine whether AI was generating a response that was actually correct. There are a number of different challenges and opportunities of AI in assessment. I think a key challenge is maintaining academic integrity with AI and making sure that students submit assignments that are ethical. But it's also important that students are able to critically evaluate AI-generated content. The opportunities of AI is it encourages innovation in assessment design, and it also encourages deeper engagement and independent learning, and also equips students for their career as well. There are a number of different references that have been used in this presentation, and they are displayed here. And in conclusion, AI presents challenges, but there's also opportunities for fair and innovative AI design. Our approach at UKIC prepares students to be equipped with AI and ensures that they have the relevant AI skills for their university degree and also their careers. And by embedding AI ethically, we can ensure that students thrive in an AI-driven world within academia and also in the professional world. If you have any questions, then you're welcome to get in touch with us. Roshan Zarabi's email is there on the screen, and so is mine. We'd love to hear from you.